Stop texting him and see what happens. If you want a guy to notice or miss you, the best way to get his attention is to stop texting him and stop contacting him altogether. A lot of guys abuse the fact that they know you will always be around, and sometimes females do stay after things like cheating because they love the guy so much. What a lot of females do not think about is the fact that staying allows the guy to continue doing his dirt while stringing you along. What happens when you remove all contact with this guy? What happens when you make him miss you? If you put your foot down and finally leave him in the dust, you will be the one who got away. Here are 10 things that will happen if you stop contacting him altogether. 1. What happens when you play hard to get? If you do not want a guy to run all over you and to notice you, it is your best bet to play hard to get. Many people say that men like the chase, but if you are always there, he will not have anything to run after. Think about it like this: if you were hired on the spot for a job at whatever fast food restaurant without any work on your part, you wouldn't care if you lost the job because you could find another one just like it. That's how guys are with women. If he did not have to work to get with you, there are millions of girls in the world that he could choose from. Don't make yourself easily available for any guy to sweep you off of your feet. Notice how much more respected and valued you would be if the guy had to work hard to get you in the beginning. If you love and respect yourself and he cares about you, do not easily be ready to getting back with him if you all are broken up, because he may continue to do the things you two broke up for the first time. If you are meeting a guy, then take things slow and don't be eager for a second date. 2. Stop texting him. He'll miss you if you do not always text a guy and he begins to notice you are not contacting him as much. He will begin to miss you. It takes a lot for some guys to start to set aside their ego and let the girl they are interested in know that they miss her. In today's day and age with social media, he will likely be all over your social media and subtly use that to be in contact with you. He will like a lot of your pictures and statues and even comment on a few to get your attention. Although he will miss you and you will miss him, it is your choice whether or not you forgive him and want to give him your attention. If he is only going to contact you through social media like everything is cool, you should probably ignore him. If he does miss you that much, he should pick up the phone and call. 3. He'll want to know what happened if you find yourself always being the one to text him first and that is frustrating you, or he goes days without texting you back and then says he was busy, but you saw him posting on social media. This is another reason to stop texting him. After a while of not hearing from you, he will start to wonder where you are and what happened. Sometimes if a guy doesn't see you contacting him as much, he'll start to wonder what he has to do to get back in your good graces. Keep him wondering. The only way to get a guy's attention is to not always be in his face all of the time and making him start to worry about you. 4. See him text you back. When you stop texting a guy, see him start to text you first. When a guy misses you, he will come to you. A lot of girls are always the one to text a guy first and wonder why he never texts her first. Sometimes the guy just is not given a chance to text you first. Maybe he wakes up a little later or had a long day at work. Whatever the reason, see what happens if you leave it to him to be the one to contact you. If the guy never texts you back, it could be because he got busy, but if you never hear from him or see him again, chances are he never really cared for the relationship in the first place. Although it may suck, a guy who was into the relationship and you would not just disappear. So it may be a sign that you two were not meant to be in the first place. 5. See what happens when you act like you're busy. When he texts you the infamous text message asking you what you are doing, be brief. Sometimes you have to act as if you are busy and stop messaging him long messages, because that will also gravitate a guy toward you. If you are always ready to hang out, then there is a chance that he may start to get bored with hanging out with you. Think about it this way: how interested are you seeing a rare bird flying in the sky than an everyday pigeon? If you start texting him short messages like you are busy, or even text him that you are busy when you weren't, he will start to wonder where you are and what you are going, and it will gravitate him to you more. 6. See him start flirting with you. Remember when you first met your boyfriend and you two flirted all night long? You two talked for hours, you may have lightly touched his arm while laughing, he may have even touched your leg. There was a spark there. Everything was exciting and fresh, but then you two got into a relationship, and you were always there. The spark is gone, and the flirting has stopped. Let's say you don't see him for a couple of days and you stop texting and calling, he will start to wonder where you are. Let's say you two broke up for whatever reason, and instead of sending him long messages about your emotions, you don't see him or contact him a lot, but you post on Facebook whenever you are having a good time. Chances are the guy will come crawling back when he sees you aren't missing him or crying over him like he thought you would. When the guy comes back, you will notice that the sparks are there and you two are flirting again like the day you first. Sometimes you have to give a guy a chance to miss you. If you two are constantly around each other, sometimes the love and passion run dry. If you want him to flirt with you and for every day to be like the first day you two met, you have to back off a little and see what happens. 7. Don't display your emotions to him. Stop always texting him long messages about how much you love and care about him and how much he hurt you. Stop sending him long voicemails about how much you hate him. Although a lot of girls do not know this, texting and leaving voicemails to a guy about your emotions will have him running in the opposite direction. If you play it cool, then a guy will probably wonder what happened to you and will try to get back into your life. It's best to stop being overly emotional and allowing the guy time and space to see what he is missing. 8. What happens when you make him jealous? Sometimes a guy will gravitate toward you if he sees that you are happy or having a good time with another guy. Now, if you and your ex are broken up, do not quickly jump into another relationship because he will know that the other guy is a rebound. Also, it wouldn't be right to use another guy to get over your ex. You need time to heal and love yourself. But if you two are still in a relationship and he's been ignoring you, just talking to other guys and laughing and just being happier without him, he will start to get jealous and want to be the one to make you laugh and smile. No guy wants to see his girlfriend chatting and laughing with another male. If you two are out at a party, there is no reason you have to follow him again or sit there watching him play pool with the guys. If he sees you doing your own thing and having a genuine conversation, and you're smiling at the other guy or may touch an arm, your boyfriend will be jealous and want to know what's going on. 9. He will start calling you if you stop contacting a guy. See him start trying to call you. To keep his ego, he may try to say he accidentally dialed you, but start to spark up a conversation with you and ask you how you have been. He will try to hold his feelings back and seem uninterested, but does miss you but does not want to come off as desperate. So just stop calling him and see how quickly he will be trying to secretly get back into your life. 10. See what happens when you love yourself. Sometimes you have given a guy many chances, and he still fails to prove himself. It is best that you remove all contact with that guy for good. It hurts not to see someone that you love deeply, but sometimes it puts you in a happier space to remove toxic people from your life. After a while of not seeing him or being with him, he starts to miss you, but you may be in a better place with a stronger mindset and higher self-esteem without him. Not every guy you meet will be your Mr. Right, so you do have to learn how to let go of some people for good and love yourself more. Stop letting guys easily back into your life to mistreat you, and love yourself more. He will see you being happy, but you won't want to be in that negative relationship anymore because you have moved on and started loving yourself.